Open top bus. Do you want Haribo? Do you want Haribo? He's not. Ready? Alright, that's not me, that's my housemate Joe. Joe, say hello.
Hello everyone!
The theory is, right, Joe's going to be here like this. I'm going to be biking along. We are full of Haribo.
Times 30.
We're going to go dish them out around London. Yeah, Joe's going to be like spotter of bicycles, and then he's going to be passer of Haribo to me as well. But before we get into the video, this video is sponsored by Blue Eye Giants, my housemate's band. Do you like music and do you have ears?
I got ears. Have you got ears?
I've got ears.
Perfect. Do you like riffs and sweet, sweet melody?
Yeah.
I'm sure you do.
Go listen to Blue Eye Giants now.
How much are we paying you?
Nothing, because...
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you. Glasses.
Right, let's do this.
Rock and or roll. Trousers. Up. Over. Hell yeah. There's one there. Oh, baby.
Oh, he's left.
Oh, no. Bye. Love you, kisses.
Right,
I said the thing.
Said the things that I say.
The thing.
Catchphrases. Right, on the hunt.
Come here.
I'm caffeinated and ready to rock.
Ready to roll, baby. There's one up ahead.
Here we go. Right.
Go.
Hunting them down.
Number one, a success.
Yeah.
Do we give him another one?
Leviosa.
Santander.
On Guardian Leviosa.
Watch out for this car.
We got two. Yeah, I'm going to turn around.
Alright.
Wait. Right, here you go. I'm ready. The double.
Nice. Double whammy. Just trying to spread some cheer, man. Too much to ask.
Hi.
Hello. She's got a basket. She's got one.
Okay, here we go.
Oh God. Oh, we have a laugh.
Oh, pigeon. Alright, let's see if we can find some more
victims. Meep. Sorry, I'm touching your crotch again. Boing.
Line bikes, where are you?
Where you at?
Come on, bicycle baskets. Buckets.
What's going straight in my basket? Now that is exhilarating. Oi, mate.
What's going on here? Okay, we've stumbled across some sort of car meet. Urus, another Urus, G-Wagon, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, GTR, Porsche.
GTR. I think your bike's nicer than them, mate.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, thanks, mate.
Yeah.
Right, ready? Hold on.
Oh, yes! Oh no!
Let's get back and get it. We can't litter.
Keep going.
Yes.
Nice. Hey, what is that song? Oh, that's Little Mermaid. Under the sea.
Why did that randomly enter your brain?
I don't know.
Line bike ahead on the roundabout. What are you saying? Oh, I see three. Bless you.
I sneeze. Sorry.
We got a triple.
Yeah.
Again. Just some Haribo.
Hey. This is great.
We're going this way.
Watch out, everyone! It's a green light. Thank
some
you.
Haribo for these guys. Get some Haribo for these guys. I'm going to put up alongside them.
Yay! They were so unsure.
Right, where are we going?
Oh. Oh.
Nah.
Well.
What about these guys? There you go.
Get this guy. Hey! Oh, this is so wholesome. I love it.
We're in the middle of a protest.
We're in a protest.
How are we in the middle of a protest?
Hey.
Someone's got a gun.
Hey. We're not part of this.
I've always wanted to, like, you know, the double-decker buses with the open top.
Yeah.
Like, chat to someone on one of those and just launch it up.
That'd be sick. Oh, that'd be sick if we could find one.
Yeah. The traffic lights, just start talking to them, like lob it up.
This lands on someone's head.
High five?
Nope.
High five? Line bike, see? Look at the other side of the road.
Oh, for God's sake. You can't win.
There's two up here. Right, we're weaving, we're gonna get him.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Right, ready?
There he is. Oh, hey! Harvey Lime's bikes.
She's got a basket, but it's full.
Great, excellent, fantastic, wonderful, marvellous.
Open top bus. John Haribo! John Haribo! He's not.
Yeah, go on. Love it.
Ready?
Oh, he loved it. That was a great shot. I thought you were going to miss.
Yeah, that was the best one, mate.
I'm so glad you did that.
That was the best one.
Well played, sir. That's going to look so good.
We have to give him some. We have to give him some. And give some to this guy because he's an absolute G.
He was really loving that.
Yeah, man. I'm going to pull over. I'm committing to this bus driver, man. He looks like a tangy boy.
Oh, he gave a honk. Yeah, boy.
You ready?
Yeah. See if you can get him through the window.
Yeah!
This is endless fun.
Yeah, I know. Honda Fireblade, mate, that's an absolute weapon of a bike.
My guy's just chilling right at the top there. Oh, look. Oh, rev it for him, rev it for him.
Who?
This guy. Look, do it. Rev.
You do it. Yeah, you do it. Go, quick.
Should we give him some? Hey!
My dude! Boom. It's gonna be fun editing this, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be jokes.
Mate, that was sick! That bus one was so good.
Contemporaries! I'm so glad to be a part of it.
You're so awesome.
Thanks, Harvey Rides Bikes. You've made my day. Can I get some Haribo?
Yeah, man, sure. Which one do you prefer?
Oh, you know what? I pick on the Starmix guy.
Hi, Scrumptious. You alright?
I love that. You just hit him with scrumptious. Oh. You are so jokes. You know that.
Ah! Look at this geezer.
Lemon squeezer, fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer, dirty kneezer. How'd you please her?
Scrooge Ebenezer.
Pleased to meet ya.
Etc, etc. Yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Let's not kill it, Joe. Come on.
Yeah, sorry. Dead and buried.
We can change batteries up here. Little interval break. Joe, a little word from our sponsor. How do you feel?
Feel incredible. You know what? I feel amazing. We had him in the first half, but then we couldn't quite take him in the second.
Can you do your Gordon Ramsay impression, please?
Oh, fuck me. Okay. We are in Soho. Okay. We are with Harvey Rides f***ing Bikes. Okay. But we are delivering Haribo to the world. F*** me.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful. Wow.
Amazing. Beautiful. 1 second.
Oh, glasses. Glasses.
Glasses. Right. Okay. Get on the bike. Arms round the f***ing waist.
Right, where are these line bikes at? Right, let's get him. No worries.
They were like, what is that? Don't worry. There's a line.
Line bike, line bike, line bike, line bike. Here we go.
Yay! Woohoo! That's a motor.
It's a Ferrari.
Hey!
Oh my god, sea of line bikes here. This is
the mother load. Target acquired.
No worries, man.
Just accepted it. Like, give it to me.
Oh, line biker, we're going left.
Holy moly!
We're going for him. We're going for him.
Oh, red light. Whoa. Sorry.
Come on, we need to catch this guy. I can see him in the distance, man.
Yeah, innit? Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3.5. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Near, far, wherever you are.
Never leave my side, Jack. That's not even the real words.
Oh, pop, pop, pop.
Pop, pop, pop.
Ready?
Woohoo! I feel alive.
Do you want some Haribo?
No. Golf clubs. Golf clubs. Carnage.
Absolute
It's
carnage.
so busy. I love Camden. So many good venues here.
Yeah.
Venues that I play in a rock band with. Speaking of
Venues.
rock bands,
Basket, basket. Line
basket,
bikes.
basket, basket, basket. I wouldn't
Hey,
do
do
it.
these. This one, another one. Oh, he's got a basket. Hold on.
Oh, easy.
Easy.
Easy money.
Hope you have a good day, man.
The last packet.
The last one. Who's gonna get it? No, whoa. This guy. Yes, this guy. There you go, friend. See ya.
Love you.
Love you. Kisses.
Kisses.
30 packets. Done.
Sorry, I keep touching your crotch.
Just touch it, mate.
30 packets.
Yeah. Boom.
Sweet, sweet London air, baby.
I'm gonna go down here.
Oh.
Cool.